Hey guys, this is Robert Lukat again. I'm going to use the Lukat Fix It. This is a paint cleaner. It's not wax. Look at this paint job. I mean, make sure they can pan back so they can see the car. I want them to see that there's a car here, okay? Anyways, this is a car. The paint job's hazy. Okay, I'm going to put some on right here. When you use this, it's not wax, it's a cleaner. So we don't do circles. Like this, we don't do that. We got to go back and forth. So when I put this on, I'm going to clean. You want to clean the same spot until it clears up. Look at this. This is a great cleaner. There's no wax in it. It'll remove the buildup, the contamination, and oxidation. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? So once you get this cleaned up, look how beautiful that comes out. Can you see the clouds in that one? Now, when you use the cleaner, this removes the buildup. There's no wax. 100% clean. Now I'm going to wax it with this. Don't worry about that, guys. My private jet flying over. Anyways, now I put the wax on. This is going to seal what we just did. We're going to lock in that beautiful paint job we just cleaned up because it's sealed with this. Look at that. So if you want to fix your paint job, use a Lukat Fix It and Lukat Easy Wax. This will clean and remove the buildup, restore the color and gloss, and this will seal the paint so the color and gloss has been restored. So check us out at Lukat, L-U-K-A-T, detail.com.